Well, hello there everyone and welcome to my kitchen. So today I am making a super easy chicken enchilada casserole. I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below so that you can go check it out later. But it's that time. It is time to get cooking. All right, so what I have here is 2 cans of red enchilada sauce. I'm using the mild. If you want to use the hot, medium, then that's completely up to you. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little bit of this red sauce in the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. All right, I'm just going to spread it out. All right, then what I have here is some corn tortillas, and I'm just going to layer them on the bottom of my baking dish. All right, so next is my chicken, and I have 2 pounds of chicken that I have shredded, but let me show you real quickly just how I cooked it and how I shredded it. So to the water that I'm cooking the chicken in, I'm adding some seasoning, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and then I found this chicken seasoning in my cabinet, so I'm just going to add some of that. And some chili powder. And I'm just going to cook it until it's tender. And then once it's cooled, just shred with my fingers. So to my chicken, I'm going to add a can of green chilies. And this is a 4-ounce can. And these are the medium. All right, so I'm just going to stir this together. All right, then I'm just gonna place some chicken down onto my tortillas. All right, then I have here like 1 cup of frozen corn. I'm gonna sprinkle some of the corn on top. Then I've got 1 can of black beans that I have drained and rinsed. I'm gonna add some black beans. All right, then I'm just going to pour over some sauce of the enchilada sauce. All right, so next up is my cheese. And this is mild cheddar cheese. Now this was a block of cheese. I grated it myself. So I'm going to sprinkle some cheese down over top. All right, then I'm just going to repeat. All right, then bake in a 375-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until the cheese is melted and everything is nice and hot and bubbly. So the chicken enchilada casserole is out of the oven, and so now it is time for a taste test. And you could add shredded lettuce, sour cream, any of your favorite taco toppings to this if you wanted. But honestly, it is good just like this. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.